Allergic rhinitis is caused by nasal inflammation from an overactive immune system due to allergens in the environment. Veterans, military veterans exposed to environmental hazards have been shown to be at a higher risk for developing allergic rhinitis. In this video, I discuss the common symptoms this condition causes, as well as the other medical conditions linked to allergic rhinitis. My name is Dr. David Geier, triple board certified orthopedic surgeon, sports medicine specialist, and anti-aging and regenerative medicine expert. I help veterans by writing Nexus letters that argue that your orthopedic injuries are connected to your military training and service, so you can get the compensation you deserve. Now, while I do focus primarily on orthopedic injuries, occasionally a veteran that I've already worked with for an orthopedic injury comes and says, hey, I've also got allergic rhinitis due to environmental exposures or things we'll talk about. Could you write a Nexus letter? And so I know a little bit about this. I've researched a little bit about this. And as a physician, obviously, I know a lot about this. And so I wanted to talk about it in this video. Allergic rhinitis is caused, again, by nasal inflammation from an overactive immune system due to allergens in the environment. And the veterans that have been exposed to environmental hazards have definitely been shown in a number of studies to be at higher risk for developing allergic rhinitis. Symptoms like congestion, runny nose, sore throat, watery eyes, all symptoms associated with allergic rhinitis. When the immune system overreacts to these allergens, the mucous membranes then produce more mucus or runny nose. The mucus can result in postnasal drip, irritating some of the tissues in the back of your throat, gives you a cough, gives you a sore throat. Now, this was previously thought to be a disease process only of the nasal airway and the nasal passages, but evidence now shows it's a systemic throughout the body allergic response. And so it's associated with a number of other conditions. Asthma, studies have shown it's associated with asthma. Atopic dermatitis, they share a common systemic allergic response. It can be classified as seasonal or intermittent or perennial or chronic. In addition to the nasal symptoms, the runny nose, other symptoms may be conjunctivitis, a non-productive cough, eustachian tube, the ear drum and the ear tube issues, and then chronic sinusitis, again, very common. In fact, so common that it's often linked chronic rhinosinusitis, a complication of allergic rhinitis, characterized by, again, the nasal inflammation, nasal congestion, nasal discharge, but now lasting longer than 3 months. Sometimes you'll see nasal polyps in the workup with that the physician does. The sensitization to these allergens can alter the immune response and basically lead to inflammation of the adenoids and adenoid hypertrophy. You get eustachian tube dysfunction, as I mentioned, causing ear fullness, ear pain, ear popping. Up to 40% of patients with allergic rhinitis also have asthma. Studies have shown that allergic rhinitis is an independent risk factor actually for arthritis. Other associated complications of allergic rhinitis: otitis media, basically ear infections, persistent cough, and eosinophilic esophagitis. Allergic rhinitis has also been, and this is what at least one or two veterans that I've worked with have reached back out to me for, is that allergic rhinitis has been shown in studies to be associated with obstructive sleep apnea. Those of you that I've talked about obstructive sleep apnea before, but it's a condition characterized by repetitive upper airway obstruction during sleep, very common among military veterans. If you're interested in learning more about the disability claims process, I've written an ebook that I think can be very helpful for you. It's called The 8 Most Common Reasons the VA Denies Service Connection for Disability Claims and How You Can Beat Them. Just click the link in the description below this video. You get it completely free. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Click the bell to be notified when I release a new video. Now, if you're already interested in a Nexus letter for your injury or condition, click that same link in the description below this video. You'll also learn more about working with me and working with my team. We try to make the process simple. We try to make it quick for veterans, and I really try hard to write a Nexus letter that gives you the best chance of success in your disability claim. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to working with you.